The year 2020 was a period of silence for most of us. But in that quiet, something quite special began to grow. We all remember those days of isolation, searching for meaning in the small things. That is exactly where the story of Coco jewelry begins. It was born in the middle of a global lockdown, not just as a business venture, but as a way to bridge the gap between people who could not be together physically. Most of the time, when we look at a necklace or a ring, we just see metal and stone, maybe a bit of sparkle. But this brand wanted to flip that script entirely. They decided that every single piece should act as a messenger for the heart. It is about faith, it is about courage, and it is about the love we carry when things get tough. Now, I know what you are thinking, because I thought it too. The internet is full of beautiful pictures that turn out to be total disappointments, or worse, complete scams. You see an ad, the jewelry looks stunning. You click, and then you wonder if your personal info is actually safe. I decided to do the legwork for you. I went deep into the reputation of this boutique, and the results were actually quite surprising. Usually, online shops have a few red flags, but not here. On the major review platforms, real customers are speaking up. They have hundreds of reviews, maintaining a very high average of over 4 stars out of 5. That is not easy to do when you are shipping delicate items all over the world. People are talking about the quality. They're talking about how the designs actually mean something to them. But I did not stop there. I wanted to see the technical side. I used professional tools to scan their website safety. The trust score came back at a perfect 100. That is a rare find. Their digital security certificates are all up to date, and their domain has been active for over 5 years. In the world of online shopping, 5 years is a lifetime. It means they're not some fly-by-night operation that will vanish tomorrow. They are an established name with a real history. Their designs happen right in the United States. While they work with skilled manufacturers across the globe to bring those visions to life, this mix of local design and global reach allows them to ship their pieces to almost anywhere. It is really for the person who wants their accessories to be intentional. You want a piece that tells your story without you having to say a single word. It is about finding beauty in the middle of your own journey, whether you are looking for a gift or a little something for yourself. The data shows this is a brand you can actually trust. It is refreshing to see a company that puts as much effort into their security and reputation as they do into their aesthetic. They have managed to create a space where art meets safety, and where a simple gold or silver piece becomes a symbol of a personal milestone. If you have been hesitant about clicking that buy button, let the numbers give you some peace of mind. Real people are wearing these pieces every day, and they are loving the results. It is about the connection we make with the objects we choose to wear, and this brand seems to understand that better than most. They are proving that you can have style, substance, and security all in one place, and that is a rare thing to find in the digital marketplace today.